Hello everyone, let's continue our course. This part I will introduce about the routing table. To routing table, we use the command display IP routing table on our router. We have lots of this information. In the previous chapter, we have learned about different protocol and such as this static, RIP, OSPF, and direct. This is the typically routing table. What kind of information in this table? The destination, the protocol, the preference. This is a preference. Later I will introduce the metric, next hop, and interface. That's all for this information. The destination describes what destination packet will matching the packet, will matching this item. If the packet matching the destination item, it will forwarding by this interface. The protocol lists all related protocol. One route, it can belong to different protocol and different cost. Preference. You will notice if the protocol they are different, the preference value will also be different. If the same, static also 60. The metric. If there's same protocol, they can have different cost and different destination. Okay, the next hop and then interface. That's all in this routing table. Preference of routing protocol. Okay, this time we talk about preference value. Here we have two protocol. One is RIP, another is OSPF. If from these two protocol we have learned the same route about 10.0.0.0, we have the same route but from different protocol. Which one will be used? You can guess. Can we use both of these two routes, or we only can choose one? That's the question. Okay, here is the result. The default route preference on VRP is as follow. This preference value, the smaller, the better. That means the smaller, if it is 0, that will have the highest priority. The previous page, which will select it. The OSPF is 10, RIP is 100, so obviously the route learning by OSPF will be better. So that's why we have the preference. We can select if we have same route from different protocol, which one will be more reliable, will be better compared with OSPF and RIP. OSPF will be better. This is about route metric. It also will show in IP routing table. There are two routes from router A to D. A, B, C, D. A, E, F, C, D. The hop is different. 1, 2, 3 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4 hops. So if it is a distance vector protocol, this path will be selected because it's shorter. Okay, and by the link state protocol calculate. 2, 5 is 7, totally 9. This is 9, 10, 11. So also this path will select it. The smaller metric will be better for both distance vector or link state protocol. In this chapter, we have learned how to use preference to select the best route in routing table. And we have multiple preference value of all the different protocols. And then about route metric, the smaller metric will be better. The question for this chapter is, by default, which protocol has best preference? So remember in that table, which one has the smallest value? The direct, because direct by default is 0. It is so small, so that is best. That's all for this chapter. Thanks for watching.